everyone! In this video, we'll cover how you can create a Google ad through Kliken. To get started, click Integrations and then click Ads. Fill out the requested information and then click Get Started. From your new Kliken account, click Get Started. Enter the name of your organization as you want it to appear in your ads and then click Continue. Then enter your phone number. Choose the type of ad campaign you want to run. Generate appointments and leads is used to drive visits to a physical location or to generate appointments, while sell products online is used for e-commerce. Once you've made your selection, click Continue. Then, select your target location and click Continue. Enter your business category and click Continue to Ads. If your category doesn't appear, click the I can't find my Google My Business category option and enter your own category. The next step is creating your ad content. As you create your ad, you can preview a mobile and desktop version. Select your main product or service from the menu and click Continue. The options are based on the business category you chose in the ad targeting section. Select a business value from the menu and click Continue. Then, review your ad options. Check the ads you want to use and uncheck the ones you don't. You can also edit the content for each ad by clicking the edit icon. When you're finished, click Continue to Keywords. The next step is to select the keywords that best relate to your services or products. You can always see how your keywords are performing and change them later. When finished, click Continue to Preview. Give your ad one last review before it goes live. Watch a preview of what your ad looks like when someone searches a keyword in Google, then click Continue to provide your payment information. Select a package, provide your payment details, and then review the terms of service. And that's how you can create Google Ads through Kliken with Constant Contact.